In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily set emergency contacts on your iPhone. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you don't make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. So let's get started, and first off, open up settings. After that, scroll down until you find Emergency SOS. Get into it. Then scroll down and tap at Edit Emergency Contacts in Health. Then tap at Edit. And then scroll down until you find Emergency Contacts. As you can see, I have already added one contact here. Let's add another. To do that, I'm gonna tap at Add Emergency Contact. That will open up my contacts book, and from here I can select any contact. Then I'm gonna choose a relationship with that contact. Let it be doctor. After that, to save the changes, do not forget to tap at Done. That's how you can easily set emergency contacts on your iPhone.